Tables are used to organize text and numerical data in a specific way. A table consists of horizontal cells, known as rows, and vertical cells, known as columns. The rows and columns help you enter text in an orderly manner. You can further customize a table and its style using the Table Tools tab. First, let us see how to create a table. You can create a table in different ways. Go to the Insert tab and then click down arrow in the Table command. The first way to create a table is by moving the cursor over the grid of cells and selecting the desired number of rows and columns. You can see the table appears on the current slide. The second way to create a table is by clicking the Insert Table option. Then, enter the number of columns and rows and click OK. Finally, you can create a table by drawing it. Click the Draw Table option. The cursor changes to a pen, making it easier for you to draw a table. Every time you insert a table, the Table Tools Design tab appears. You can use the Draw Table option from the Draw Borders group to add a row or column by drawing it. Now, to insert an Excel spreadsheet, from the Insert tab, click Tables and then the Excel spreadsheet option. This inserts a table which acts like a spreadsheet. Note that you won't be able to edit this spreadsheet by using the commands available in PowerPoint. PowerPoint includes several options for moving, resizing, and adding rows and columns to create a custom table. To move a table, click and drag the edge of a table. Click and drag the sizing handles to change the size of the table. You can continue to drag until the table is of the desired size. You can enter the text by clicking inside the cell and typing the text. You can use the Tab key to move to the next cell. Adding new rows and columns in a table is easy. To add a row, click inside the cell of the row, above or below which you want to add a new row. Click the Layout tab and then from the Rows and Columns group, select either the Insert Above or Insert Below command. Similarly, select the Insert Left or Insert Right command to insert a new column. The new column will appear. In a similar way, you can delete a row or column. Place the cursor in the cell. Go to the Layout tab. Click the Delete command down arrow from the Rows and Columns group. Select the Delete Rows or Delete Columns option from the menu. You can also choose the Delete Table option to delete the entire table. You can further modify this table by using a variety of options. You can adjust the height and width of the selected cells and specify the values in the height and width boxes. To equally distribute the height and width of rows and columns, you can use the Distribute Rows and Columns commands. The Merge Cells command is used to combine two or more cells into a single cell. You can combine the cells when the text in a cell overflows and cannot fit into a single cell. Select the desired cells and click the Merge Cells command. On the other hand, you can change the text alignment using different commands in the Alignment group. The Align Left command aligns text to the left of the cell. The Center command aligns the text in the center of the cell, and the Align Right command aligns the text to the right of the cell. Similarly, the Align Top command aligns the text to the top of the cell, and Center Vertically command centers the text in the vertical direction, and the Align Bottom command aligns text to the bottom of the cell. The Cell Margins command helps you to specify margins on different sides of the selected cell. You are already familiar with moving or resizing a table by using the sizing handles. You can also resize the rows and columns using the Resize cursor. You can do the same using the options from the Table Size group. You can enter the specific value in the height and width boxes. The Lock Aspect Ratio option helps you to maintain the ratio between the height and width of the table when you resize it. The Arrange group has various options that help you to bring the table forward or send it backward with respect to other objects. The Selection Pane command allows you to easily drag an object and change its order level and visibility. The Design tab makes it easy to change the style of your table. You can easily apply a style and also customize the table border. The table has a default style applied to it. Click the down arrow in the Table Styles group to view and then select a style. The Clear Table option removes the style applied to the table. You can further customize the table using the options from the Table Style Options group. These options help you apply special formatting to certain rows and columns. You can experiment with a few options and choose the desired style for the rows and columns in a table. Now, let us see how to modify the table style. You can see the table header row has a specific color. To change it, select the cells and click the down arrow next to the Shading command from the Table Styles group. Choose a suitable color or click the More Fill Colors option to choose from more colors. Using the eyedropper option, you can pick the color from a cell and apply it to another cell. Sometimes you may need to add pictures in a cell. You can do this by using the Picture option. The Gradients or Textures option can be used to give various fill effects to the cell. You can use No Fill to remove the fill effect. Similarly, you can add or change the background color of the table using the Table Background option. The Effects command helps you to apply visual effects such as a shadow or reflection to the table. You can also apply various effects to the cell. The Borders command helps you to add borders around the rows or columns and the entire table. You can change the border style using various options from the Draw Borders group. You can choose the color, style, and thickness of the border. You can remove the border of a table and its rows or columns using the Eraser option. You can apply various styles to the text or a word using different commands under the Word Art group. You can specify the fill color, outline color, and apply a visual effect.